Cuzzy. Yeah, I saw it, cuz I saw it. This time I didn't see it.
It's all padlocks. We've only got keys for the disco. Because other people have been trying to go right round, but there's one side that's padlocked. Yeah, we've only got keys because it's like a disco we've been doing for kids. And you can't get to the other side because people have been going and trying.
Yeah.
Yes. War Kitchen in the building. What's up, brother? Yeah, dog. We got the big bear in the house. War Kitchen DVD.
Some swine.
Check out this about them. Killer Pizzle.
Yeah, we're out here, man.
Sit
I'm
down.
tight. What's good?
It's good. It's your time.
It's War Kitchen, we're still here, Killer Pizzle. Update. Tell the man if allow the swine thing, you see me?
You know what?
Hey, do you know what?
Hey, what I'm saying, yeah?
Know what I'm saying, yeah?
Wait, let me tell you this, right?
Remember,
My name is DJ K, okay? On top's finest. I'm the pretty boy who wears pink. Trust me, tell your girl about me. I don't yam pussy, and I'm bacon.
bang, bang, well, me support that. I officially bought that. You can see best swag players, I told them and them already. If the guys them could fucking play as good as they MC, you get me? Then they'll be heavy.
Reporting live from Crystal Palace Stadium, this is the Big Brown Bearman, and we've got Monsta Allstars versus some nobodies. But the nobodies are winning by approximately 5 goals to 3. Narstie, he's put in a performance, son. I tell you, he's had an excellent innings. Any right coach in their mind would have subbed him long ago, but he's gone 10 minutes past that. He's put in a great innings. Anyway, look at Doctor. Doctor's on the ball. The flashy guy with the blue boots. You know what I mean, Gov? He's going to whip it in. Nope, he don't. Skips past to number 4. Quality, Doc, quality! Quality! Blazer! Oh, see? Woo! Oh, 0! I tell you what, P. See, he's had a quiet game, but Roro done that nicely there. Yeah, big up Killer though, P, because Killer, he gave us a 95 minutes, you know what I mean? Yeah. War Kitchen TV. Viewers, I know you're wondering why the big brown guy ain't playing, but you know, I'm rolling there with the Fubies and the big old jeans, and I'm not as mobile as I would like to be when I'm in the jungle. When I'm in the jungle, I move about barefoot, you get me? No jeans, no boots. I just move nicely, you see what I'm saying? But anyway, back to the footy. Let's get there. Alright, let's go now.
Drastic's just hungry, bloke.
I tell you guys, I really wanted to play, you know, because me, I'm Emil Heskey times 50. Bear, you get me? Enough of them, alright. Yeah. Stam, CEO is on the ball. Woo! Pass tricks. Oh, Stamina! The number 6 CEO of NAA. What a great goal. Once again, the guy in the jeans is absolute filth. I mean, if Fender was in goal, look at Fender. Great athleticism there. Look at his body, bendy, flexible. We can move across. But that guy in the jeans, that guy in the jeans is filth. He deserves a bear paw. He deserves bear uppercuts out of existence. He's bad news, he is. Big up Tony Adams, my friend, aka Elmans. He's done well, but he's bloody tired. Too much Super Kings.
He stands in one place to stir.
No, it was a great innings by Narstie.
You fucking waste, man.
Dirty Tricks is on the ball. Let's get back to the action. Big up Solo. I think he's been the man of the match so far. Patrick Vieira, get me? Newsflash, we've just been told that Tony Adams has a Dawlage nose. Back to the action.
Yeah, I'm fat, yeah. Hey, I'm fat, yeah, but like, I'm not ugly. There's bare ugly man on the pitch, rude boy. Do you see what I'm trying to say? Like, if this game was going on by looks, bare man would get benched, cuz. Or, yeah, like...
That's why it's a good thing I'm not playing, because it's over, innit?
K ain't playing because he's got a pink shirt.
Okay. Man, like, bare! He brought it to your pink shirt, you know.
Pink shirt, that's why he ain't playing.
Man's too sensitive. Yeah. Them and they wear pinks. Yeah, old tight bear, but raw. Back to the ugly guys now. There's ugly guys on the pitch, rude boy. Certain man look like bulldogs, rude boy. Them ugly dogs, fucking cut. War kitchen. Old tight RP. Oh, 1 minute, I gotta look for it.
Back to the footy, there's been some great stuff going on. Doctor's on the ball. We know he's going to play it out. He's going to try and find zero. And that's a wayward pass by the Jamaican. But anyway, back to the action. Number 10. Big up the keeper rocking the 70s afro. It's amazing out here. Big up all the War Kitchen DVD viewers, the crowd. This entertainment's amazing. Lovely play. Great interaction by number 4 and number 15 there. Yeah, what was it? Yeah, big up the Cockney bloke. Because he's a baller. War Kitchen, he's one of the best ballers there, I'll tell you that now, you get me? He's won medals, he's gone places, but his groin is absolutely murked. Hey, ain't nasty, tell them his buttons. Hey, nasty. Raw.
Having a mad one.
Told him. I'm gonna hurt my throat. What happened to you, fam?
Number 10's fucked. He just come on, turn around the game for the Monsta team, and then he twists off his kneecap.
War Kitchen, let's go over to number 10. I just got to take it because I think this player is amazing. He's an amazing player. He's come on and he's transformed the team. Sir, I'm shaking your hand. I'm the brown bear and you're amazing. Back to the action. Let's go. Big up Tony Adams. That was a great first touch there. He plays it out to Blazer. Look at Blazer's first touch. He's playing with a hamstring problem anyway. Doctor's got the ball. Oh, lovely play. Great interaction. And the Afro geezer recoups it. Big up Narstie hyping the ugly men. I think we need females to decide that, but anyway, that's a different story, Peanut, you know what I mean? So back to the action. Big up my good friend here. Big up Marvelous Mo, yeah? It's Mo and the Bear. Back to the action, let's go. We got a free kick by Zero where he's going to whip it in and I guarantee he's going to find Dr. Z. Nope. The Afro keeper's recouped it. We got a break here. Cold boy, he's got pace to burn. Let's have it, son. Who's square for him? The guy in the cap is square. It weren't the best ball in the world. Let's see what he's going to do. Back to keeper. Lucky Jeans. He plays it out. Solo. Lucky Jeans. War Kitchen, let's get back to stats. Where has he been? He put on the top in the first 2 minutes and I ain't seen him for 50 of them. I ain't seen him. He's one of these disappearing acts, I'll tell you what. Get me? Yeah. Newsflash. We've just had a report in that Blazer is an ugly guy. Back to the action. Yeah, anyway. Okay. Big up to Narstie for them statements there still. Great touch. Great first touch, number 7. Oh, number 7. Unlucky, son. That was a magnificent first touch. He may have twinged his calf. Number 7. Your calf, is it alright, Gov? You cool? He's twinged it. You see, that's what happens when you got L-Man playing like bloody Tony Adams. There's no nonsense around here. He'll kick your shins, mate. Oh, Dex! Oh! I swear he was injured 1 minute ago. Dex, I got that. That was an amazing touch, Governor. Dex, you're beautiful, son. I like it. Let's have it. Steve's referred to him as a toothpick today, and I wouldn't beg to differ still. I believe we missed that one. Let's zoom in. Come on! Zoom into the guy with the effort. Can you see him? Look at
man's defending his legs.
Wait. Oh, look at that. Back on the legs, back on the
Solo.
legs. Look at him. Zoom in. He's wearing
Defend your
number
legs,
shorts
man.
from 1995. Look at them fights. I'll tell you what.
Defend your
This
legs.
fight is the daddy whip for my wrist, mate. You know what I mean? Now, that's what you call a bear wrist. Because I'm in a bear jungle with the bear animals, but he's got bear twigs. Hey Vieira, I love you, son. You're amazing. Our cold boy's got the ball. He wants a 1-2 with Dex. Dex has made a run. And Lucky James has prevented another goal. Yeah, man. Dogs are great first touch. Is he going to pass it off to Adams? No, we don't want Nana Tony. Instead, he wants to find Blazer.
That's a minute got a cough.
South Asians to the mastermind trooper. Can he go past him?
Did you hear that?
Great interaction play.
Mr. Solo ain't got a cough.
We got the man done without the cough like Solo. Solo, you're amazing. Don't you worry about that, Patrick Vieira. You're great, son.
Oh, these are workers.
You can see those hairlines, boy. His hairline thick, I see you. Man, said you're a waste, man. You got a curly whirly.
Back to the action. I think the referee's giving a very dangerous free kick there. Tony Adams, that was a bit dangerous, son.
CEO's a waste, man. You try to get a curly whirly. Know them old school curly.
CEO, you're a waste, man. But anyway, let's penalty. Let's have it.
Now, what are you saying now? I'm not even playing no more.
Vieira.
Cuffs you, boy.
Vieira. Come to the camera. Tell him something. Just tell him something. Tell him what you think's been going on so
What
far.
it is, yeah, Stamina CEO is fucking shit, rude boy. Let's get a little zoom in on him. That you there smiling with a buckhead, rude boy.
Which one?
The little dickhead. You must can see the little cocoa forehead, rude boy.
Are you looking at the camera now?
Nah, man, he's there. What number is he? Number 6. Number 6, rude boy. Can't you see him? Blue, the blue. Number 6.
Ah, yeah.
Anyway,
Fucking
Vieira,
shit.
back to the commentator.
Let's see, you got receded hairline.
The brown bit. Who's going to take this? Don't tell me the Afro man's going to take it.
No, that's T's, rude boy, because he won the ball, you know, bruv.
We got the Afro man versus Tony Adams there.
Is it? And Zero looks at the game Pro Evolution. Know the game with it.
Zooming on the goal. Let's have it. Hey Afro man, is that you?
There comes the doctor praying, everyone needs to make it.
This could be a pivotal moment in the match. Does he score? Oh, and it's off the post and out.
I think Afro man never made it because he got high.
Waste man. Saves like a waste man.
Aye.
Back to Vieira. Make it quick.
Aye, Stam's forward, rude boy. Aye, wait, just picking me up. Stam's forward, rude boy. I swear it's got a fucking rig in there, rude boy. I swear down. It's got a base box, rude boy.
He's swirly whirly parties with 99 on you, boy. He's got a party.
94.
Move his forward.
Man's in his 94.
Wait, his hairline's in line with his sideburns. Yeah, me. Them man, his head's like a proper right angle, cuz. 90 degrees squared, cuz. Just like the time's gone out, cuz. Yeah, rude boy. And the rest over is wasted, rude boy. I don't care, rude boy.
That man comes to the MOD.
Hey Tony, that was great movement in the goal, mate. That was because of you. That was
He's come to do an MOT.
I look the whip.
CEO's on the ball.
Comes to 7. CEO, number 6. Solo, I tell you what, you got bad words for him, but he's a great finisher. The ball he is amazing.
I ain't got no love for no one right now. Yeah? Like, raw, man tried to say a referee, yeah, comes like he's gonna do a MOT, you know. The man, they wanna check man's gas and everything there. And man's break. No, they'll excuse him. True stories, no.
That's they want you, son.
True stories. Hey, dude, fucking rude boy. Yeah. Laser try to say Doctor's Platt's got like Mercury boy. True stories, cuz. True stories. Man was there, cuz.
This is a football match, a slewing session. I tell you what, War Kitchen TV, this is amazing footage. This is. Whoa, stats ain't having it.
AK. Yeah. The car.
Tricks. Tricks the keeper wants it. Tony Adams wants it.
He looks like an ostrich.
Tricks ain't having none of it. He went past one.
That's a
He
bit
made
like
it
an
up.
ostrich.
That's awesome, man. I swear he's amazing. He's amazing. I think CEO's on a double action now, guys. Let's watch it. Unlucky Dex, that was nice. Nice shot, Governor. Nah, he's Tony Adams. He's a Tony Adams now.
you're gonna bust his face about it.
Bust whose face?
Yeah, go on. Tell man, tell him.
What, what's whose face?
Tell him now, man. Don't talk to me like that again or nasty, I'm gonna bust your face. What?
There's a bit of confrontation on the sideline here. Don't know if Tony Adams wants to get involved.
That's to respect my gangster. I'm ALC, cuz. You've missed the chain. True stories. Are you mad? I'll just start brushing.
Let's go, Jack. Let's play the long ball over the top.
You want it? I'll just move them. Cuz, I can brush though.
I know you can. I've heard you.
Cuz,
You wanna come and sit on Dunbar for a day and you wanna see what it's really like.
True stories.
No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm chilling.
Big up number 10. He's injured. We can't move to number 10 now because he's a great player, lads. Without him, they wouldn't have had 4 of their goals. You know what I
If
mean?
you're my team for the day, then I'm saying 85% man of the pitch here are ugly, boy.
Oh, Solo, that's a great goal, man.
Cuz, do you know what gets me mad? You know ugly guys who think they're hot, cuz, and you know they're ugly, cuz.
Overthinking this.
Yeah, they look in the mirror when no one's there and just know they're ugly, cuz. That's why they either decide to shop food or be a bad boy, cuz. Or spit bars. Most MCs are ugly as well. I'm a one-off. Most MCs are ugly. Yeah?
Big up now for the self-confidence.
And footballers. What I'm trying to say, yeah? Most man need to do something to get pussy because most man ain't got no game. Yeah? Most man, yeah, are shook a pussy. Most man won't just go up to girls and talk and get blasted. Like, so they either shop food, go on like they're a bad boy, yeah, bust a rebor in the end for people to talk about them, or spit bars.
Nas, 1 second. Back to the action. Coldplay is gonna do it. Let's have it. Oh, Coldplay, that's amazing, I tell you. Back to Narstie, anyway.
Alright then, black. Straight. Back to the ugliness, you boy. Look at yourself.
Hey, Coldplay, that was amazing, man. If you want to go on like that, it's alright, innit, mate? That's alright then.
Come on, man.
Hey, no, but I know for a fact, Doctor Love.
Let's have it. Number 10.
Yeah, most of them are I'm on that realness, cuz. No, them ones there. I'll just sit here for
Big up Lucky Jeans, he's putting a great innings in goal. Well done, son, I like that, mate.
Lucky Jeans.
Let's have it, brother. Well done, he's
After that, cuz. We're going out there. Cuz, I'm tired, cuz. I've done my efforts, cuz. Unless it ain't boy them or a 9:30 shot, I'm not moving nowhere. It's not them real ones.
This is real TV, Stoke Crystal Palace football match. Big up Narstie, it's amazing, vibe. On to Z, where's his touch? Let's have it. Yeah, mate, get in there, 0. That's the first goal he scored for like 85 minutes and he's bloody happy.
Hey, stop sucking man's victory, boy. Get off the deep throat. That goal was alright, it was nothing special. Are you talking to me, rude boy?
Big up Narstie, you got mouth.
Rude boy, your arms are the same length as your legs, rude boy. Are you getting shit, rude boy? Are you getting shit? Rude boy, your arms can touch your knees, rude boy. Guys, don't chat shit, God. Hey, God. Yeah, rude boy, don't chat shit, God. Rude boy, look at your bubble gum head, rude boy. Hey, rude boy. A man's head just shrinks, rude boy. With your little fucking light bulb head, rude boy. Chatting shit to me.
Uncle Man Casper.
My legs fucked, bro. Hey, look, to the hospital. True story. Smoke more weed, rude boy. Think about it.
Number 10's injured, we need some services. It's amazing. Doctor's on the ball, he passes it to this guy. This guy is very pretty. No skill, just prettiness. I see a volley. No, dirty tricks, headed it out. Back to CEO. CEO's on the ball, he winds up, not good enough. I tell you what, we can't be too harsh on CEO. He scored 4 goals, 3 of them great quality. He's a good finisher. Back to the action, let's have it.
Some of them are letting it in because they want to be on the next month. Fuck that, rude boy.
Yeah, them talk there by Narstie, you know. Man's letting it in because they want to be on Monsta 2. That's serious.
Yeah, they're on their shit, rude boy. I don't care, rude boy. And
we got Mike Star behind it. He's still feeling this guy. He's my brother. 10. Simple balls, Cold Boy. Cold Boy's gonna swing it in. Dex is here. Dex is langing. See you. A lot of pretty players, Monsta. A lot of pretty ones, see? Broken down. Where's your grit and determination, son? Vieira! You're a great player. What's Slade's gonna do? Agent. The referee's having a lot more time. The score is Monsta All-Stars 5 against the world 8.
8-5. Man from Allstar, bunch of selfish pricks, and there's no say I'm not with no Monsta team. Yeah?
Mike. Sad to say. Like, once the weekend, it's been a very good weekend. We got one day left, you know, and the Monsta All-Stars, you would have thought they would have, you know, done something amazing. I know I weren't playing, guys, but, you know, boots and jeans, I can't do it, Guff, because I am MLSky plus 50 bear, you get me? But big up the Monsta guys. What's up, fam? You know what I mean? Big up Dot Dizzle, he's angry, you know what I mean? But I like number 15. I'm picking up blue. I'm picking up players. I'm picking up Dex. I'm picking up number 15. These are my good guys. Let's go back to CEO. I'm picking out CEO. He's a great player. I'm picking out the Afro man. I done told you what? I want Vieira in this shot. I want I done told him already. I want Vieira in this shot. Let me talk. What you got to say? What you got to say?
Wait, listen. When the referee's coaching the other side, saying 1-2, yeah, you know it's a swindle. You know it's a swindle. You get me?
Right.
Vieira,
come on, man. This man is the man of the match. We're in there.
No.
14. We're there. We're 14. Hold on there.
No, you weren't here, man. You weren't here, man. Come.
14.
Anyway, look. This is my man of the match. This is my man of the match. I've been watching the game. I've been watching the game from like the first minute. He's been the man of the match. This is Patrick Vieira.
Hold on.
The referee's been there for 1-1. When Cold Boy came on, he was amazing, but there he is, Vieira. Great. He's a great player. Amazing.
Vieira, come here. JJ, come here. Come here. I want to dedicate it to my boys. JJ, come here. Man of the match. Them man lost, you know. I went the hardest in that game. Are you listening?
Big up Zero.
These are my niggas.
I thought he would have scored more, but that goal he scored was
real
good.
ballers.
Great ingenuity there, mate. And this guy, he just came on and he's amazing because he's just there.
I'm just fucking there, bro.
Alright, I'll tell you what. I was watching this Doc. He's an amazing player. We know he plays week in, week out. His team didn't win, but great work rate. Great work rate. Tricks. I'm gonna call him Daddy Ledley King because them headers were amazing, son. You know what I mean? You got shit. It's that. Big up Tony Adams also. He's an amazing player.
Fuck football, man.
Big up the War Kitchen TV. You know what I mean? I've been there, and I'll see you in the woods next week, mate. Let's have it. Alright.
Straight up and down. Wait. Nas. You're Nas. That one goal you scored.
Common sense is self-defense.
That one goal you scored.
Nas. Do you want to got me on camera, Nas? Seriously, is there any point?
I don't think we should go there. I've had it. No more. Nas, we don't want it. Not on camera. Not on the War Kitchen. Let's have it.
Hold on.
For the bar.
You having flashbacks? Remember last time?
Let's keep it for the bar. We don't want this on TV, guys. It's not pretty. It's not pretty. Please. Once again, I've been the Brown Bear. I'll see you in the woods next week. Let's log this off. It's been a wrap. You get me?